Ferry Conservation District hosted the 27th Annual Conservation Fair and 49th Annual Plant Sale in April. Despite the challenges posed by COVID, the fair has been growing steadily every year. Attendance doubled from the previous year, and we are constantly expanding our exhibit groups. Additionally, we have started an annual poster contest. The winning design from the contest is used for Conservation Fair promotional materials such as newspaper ads, town posters, and buttons for fair attendees.
We continue to implement the VSP program for Ferry County with pesticide credit events like this. We're also dealing with a catastrophic loss of agriculture in Ferry County, which has affected our work group participation. Although at a last meeting we had a great response, but as you can see, we've lost a tremendous amount of agriculture in the county. We're going to continue to work on this and see where it goes.
This spring, we completed a large ecology grant that funded the Curlew Lake Cyanobacteria Management Plan. Working with WSU and Herrera Consultants, the Ferry Conservation District collected data throughout 2023 and 2024. This data was then used to develop a plan to address the declining health of Curlew Lake. Unfortunately, the proposed strategies to improve the lake are very costly. The Curlew Lake Association is currently collaborating with the Ferry CD to determine the next steps for funding the most practical solution to the problem. We applied for the latest round of ecology funding for off-site wastewater improvement projects. The Sustainable Farms and Fields grant funded the purchase of a no-till drill for Ferry County. Producers will have the opportunity to use this equipment on their land and observe it in action as a demonstration at the Conservation District property. Sustainable Farms and Fields has also funded the cost of seed to begin experimental crops at the property. Ferry CD has also been awarded the Forest Health and Community Wildfire Resiliency Grant. This funding will support a thinning and mastication project on private property in Republic, Washington. The project will also enable the CD to capture footage and create a demonstration video to inspire others to prepare their land for wildfires.
We finished our 7th Family Forest Fish Passage Program bridge in the last 6 years this summer. It's a project that on a watershed this is our 2nd bridge. Anyway, turned out really well, worked with a great contractor. These are always great conservation projects that the community really seems to love.
Ferry CD was awarded NACD's Urban and Community Conservation Grant. Along with community partners, Ferry CD is funding a community garden in the heart of Republic. Dirt work for this project begins this fall. The Ferry Conservation District has undergone several changes in the past few years. Our proudest achievement is the Conservation District property. After several years of disuse, the greenhouse, which was originally jointly owned by the local school districts and the Ferry Conservation District, is now solely owned and operated by Ferry CD. It has undergone a much-needed makeover and is becoming a popular site in Ferry County. For the past 3 years, we have partnered with the Republic Outdoor Adventure Rangers, aka ROAR, to provide outdoor learning experiences for students. During the fall and spring, students explore different aspects of the land, including forestry, soil types, erosion, invasive plants, and riparian zones. They also have the opportunity to use the greenhouse to plant flowers and learn about seed cultivation. In our most recent adventure in October, students wore bee suits to observe beehives up close and even had the chance to taste honey from the Ferry Conservation District's first honey frame. The Ferry Conservation District first began the beehives back in May after discussing the educational benefits with the local second grade teacher. This endeavor has proven to be a great success, and the community loves watching the hives grow.